Oh my God. Nice shooting.
Look at that stud. God.
Really? Kill him.
Bust him.
Kill him.
Bust him. What a puppy.
Good dog. Yeah. Just wait.
What up? Welcome back to the Southern Gentleman Experience. It's January 20th. It is 24 degrees. I think the farm will be nice and frozen over from last night. A little bit, slightly. So I guess we'll see. Might have to break some ice, but we got a little stack of ducks in this one field. I mean, yesterday maybe saw 300 or 400 birds in this field. We're gonna go try to hunt it. They got some big ducks in there, but the freeze over here in previous years is either really, really good or really, really bad. So we about to wake up, go see. That's all you can do. All right, we got layout blinds brushed already, and we're running a good bit of duck decoys, so we're gonna go set all that up and try to freeze our is off. Yeah, try to stay dry, try to stay warm. We'll see you at shooting light. All right, it's shooting light. Just had 2 teal land in the decoys. Broke us a little hole in the ice. We're finna lay down, see what happens.
Mm-hmm. Single. Bust him.
I think.
I thought as well.
I'm recording.
I'm recording. Penny.
There's one picked up and got out of there.
Yeah, it was like the perfect shot call though.
Hey, nice having a black dog, eh?
What?
Bro, what?
What?
When it's freezing? Ain't gotta get your hands wet?
Good dog.
Man.
Good dog, man. Good dog, man.
She's breaking her feet through the ice. I mean,
Come on.
you know.
Bring it here. Bring it here. Bring it here. Bring it here.
Good.
Good pup. Good pup. Bring it here. Good pup. Bring it here. Good dog. Good kennel. Hey, look at there.
Look at there.
Sit. Shut up. Oh my God.
Oh! Right here, right here.
Oh, I killed Izzy.
I got this one. Here.
Oh, I killed Izzy.
I got this one.
Oh my God. Oh, right here, right here. Izzy. I got this one.
I busted. I killed like 3.
I killed 2.
I killed like 3 right there.
Ah.
Got him?
Yeah.
Nice.
Woo! Come here, come here. Good puppy. Good puppy. Come here. Come here. Good puppy. Heel. Dead. Izzy. Bring it here. Bring it here. Bring it here. Good.
Alright, see if we can open her up any.
Got it. No. Sit.
Oh yeah.
Is that all mallards?
That's great. Yeah. Landing on the ice.
Single.
I'm gonna kill him.
Yep. Nice shooting.
I'm gonna kill him.
Yep. Izzy! Nice shooting, dude.
Thank you.
Pintail limit,
dude.
baby. I mean, that was probably the prettiest thing I've ever seen in my whole life. I mean, I was like, probably, that was definitely top 3. Huh?
Best pintail scene.
Yeah.
Best shot.
That was probably top 3 pintail decoying shots I've ever seen. I mean, 10 yards over the levee.
Look at that. Look at that stud. God, man. That's why you do it right there. All right, we got our limited pintail. 4 teal. 4 teal? We need 6 more ducks. Let's shoot them up. What a duck, man.
Yeah.
Spoonbill in front. Spoonbill in front.
Coming in.
Look at 2.
I see him.
Make them come. Make them come. Here they come.
I got the one on the left. You got the one on the right. They jump early.
Ooh, look in front. There's a mallard in there. Oh. That's all mallards. Coming. Keep calling. Coming. Coming. Get ready. Get ready. Kill him. Oh, we got 2?
Yeah.
Nice,
I think
dude.
we got 3. That other one's going down. I'm gonna go get it.
Okay,
Watch it.
I am.
Watch it. Watch it. Watch it.
Yeah.
Watch it. Watch it.
Yeah.
Watch it. Got it.
Yeah. You got a mark?
I got a mark.
Okay, I'll take care of the other 2. Yes. Yes.
No way.
Yes. Yes, it is.
I thought I crunched on my first shot.
Is he down? This is tough. Oh. Well, that's a gray duck. A little bit of a hell yeah. Ooh, hit him in an artery. Stud gray. Now, what is that? I thought for sure that it was a mallard. Oh. Got him. Another gray. Well, still pretty fantastic though. Yep. Yep. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. There she goes. 2 nice sprigs, 2 fat gray ducks, spoonbill, 4 teal. Pretty epic.
Came out here, did what we could.
Yeah.
In the ice.
Yeah, all morning this hole that's formed now was just kept freezing over, and it's pretty hard to work birds in, but got to see some real cool stuff, that's for sure. Now it's open. Wind's pushing it.
It would be perfect if we had it like this early this morning. God knows.
But yeah, the form is frozen. I'm sure there's little spots like this that are open, and we're gonna go scout, see if we can find something for tomorrow.
They got ducks somewhere.
It's gonna be some gnarly weather tomorrow though. Gnarly. So, anyway. Alright, we have decided to put yesterday's hunt on same video as today. We're hunting the freeze, boys. It is actively snowing.
Like hard. Like
Yeah.
really, like come look at this.
Actively.
Come look at this. It's actually insane how much it snows.
Yeah. It's kind of, I mean, that's like actual snow though.
Actual snowflakes.
It just started, so it's not like inches or whatever.
But it's about to get
I mean, you know. But yeah, we got some clips of that field we hunted yesterday, and they stacked back up in there, and actually all the geese stacked up in there. So maybe, just maybe, just maybe, there'll be some open water.
And if
You
there
know?
is,
It's over.
there is, shame on them. Shame
Oh, yeah.
on them.
Oh yeah. I'm finna bust down on one of these little. So yeah, we got the trailer loaded. We pretty excited.
Big Tom's coming. My grandpa.
Oh yeah, big time.
Big old Tom's coming for the snow hunt. It may be one of the most legendary hunts of our entire life.
Or all the birds pushed out with the snow. Stay tuned. Tell them what up.
Is off the charts.
Probably can't hear anything.
Probably can't hear nothing, but
I'm Mad Geek.
I'm Mad Geek, boy. I'm cold.
Yo.
It's getting ominous in this. Just got set up. We're a little late, but I mean, you got to take your time in this. I didn't have a headlamp. We had to rebrush a whole panel, put out all kind of decoys, get my grandpa set up. But now we ready to rock.
This is crazy. If they flying this, it's gonna be epic. We had a big heavy north wind, as you can see, and actually nothing really froze except for the south sides of fields. So we're hunting the north side, or the south. You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. Now they can come in.
Y'all ready?
Yes, sir.
You like real ready?
Yep.
Thanks.
Okay.
100%. It's kind of like a slushy out there.
Well, they got decoys that are moving. I heard some shooting earlier.
You see that?
What?
It's like a smoothie out there.
That snow.
Look right in front, right in front.
Really? Boom deal.
Now,
I don't shoot spoon.
if they all do that,
We kill them.
oh, buddy, they got a problem. Might have to push the decoys out. Yep.
Izzy!
Thanks. Good dog. Right here. Hey, gray duck. Good. How about that?
Good.
That was cool.
Get him.
Nice.
Ain't even gotta do nothing, bro.
Gotta bite it.
Just bite the head.
Look at these two. Looking. Looking. Coming.
No way.
Yep. Look, right in front. Kill that one, Bubba. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him, Bubba. One shot.
I don't have.
One shot Willie.
Dude,
No.
I would have had the dirtiest video.
That was beautiful. What was that?
Trash.
That was trash? That was a pintail. A pintail Drake with a band on it.
Yeah, well, and 2 bands.
2 bands, money bands.
Yeah, I killed one like that once. Got one coming into the left.
I see
two
him.
Coming into the left.
We can kill it?
Just about. Look at the pintail. Alright, kill him, Bo.
Bust him.
Kill him.
Bust him.
Kill him.
Bust him.
Nice. Nice.
I hit him.
Nice. Bring it here. Good. Good doggy. Good dog. Izzy. Kennel. Good puppy.
Got one coming straight in.
Yeah. Kill him.
Bust him.
Izzy.
You got me.
He got the best. I was waiting.
He got mine.
I was waiting for you to shoot.
Well, I'm just watching. Just gotta chill out.
I'm chilling, Bubba. I'm working my little dog. I'm chilling.
You're doing good on that. That's one.
Look at that. I'm chilling. I'm just chilling.
I think you're gonna be able to travel today.
No, sir. Why would we travel when we could do this?
Are you gonna hunt tomorrow?
Probably, yeah. It's my birthday. Might as well.
Look at that dog, Bubba.
Where?
Get ready to kill it.
Kill that one, Bubba. Oh.
I hit him. Waiting for.
Well, he was peeling out.
He won't commit.
There's 2 low
I see him.
in front.
Coming in.
Yeah. Spoonbill.
Kill him.
Nice.
Hey, I got one.
Good dog. Good dog. Good. Kennel. Good dog, Kennel. Dude, she's doing Kennel.
Excellent.
She's doing better today than she was yesterday.
He's coming. He's coming.
Coming dog.
Maybe. See?
Yep.
Look at that flock in front of you.
You want to kill the spoonbill?
Yeah. Somebody kill it.
Well, not me. Man, I wouldn't have shot with all that there.
Oh.
One in the hand.
One in the hand. Oh, he come back over here. Look at him, Bubba.
Kill him. Kill him.
Four.
Thank you. You hit
Bro.
him. You hit him. Kill him. Kill him. Thank you. You hit him.
Bro. God, dude. Shells don't work.
Oh, single. Kill it, Bubba. Kill it, Bubba. Nice. Izzy. Good dog. Good dog. Bubba, can you do me a favor? Can you head crunch this duck?
Can I what?
Head crunch this duck
Why?
for my video? He's still alive.
Oh yeah, I got it. Ready?
I'm ready. Done. Did it in the snow with Bubba Tommy. A classic.
Hey, this is wicked. All right, we got hella ducks working this corner of the field. Way over there, like flocks of like 100 mallard and pintail, but nothing's sitting down anywhere because got this, not ice, but it's like a sonic slushy. It's kind of whack. So if we could somehow create a hole, I think we'll start burning some big ducks. So we're gonna try to do that.
Very, very good and very, very cheap. 6 pound, 1 pound, 5 pound fish. Hey, we gotta put all the decoys in here. So once we move it, you can hit this again, I guess.
I cannot believe my gun.
Me either. This is. Oh! Oh! Let's go! Oh! Hell yeah!
Come on. Come here. Come here. Here. Izzy. Good dog.
What a puppy.
Good dog. Good. Kennel. Kennel. Good. That's it.
A Uneville. Ready as I'll ever be.
All right. We about to get out of here. It is snowing like a mother, and
It's crazy.
it's insane.
Absolutely crazy. The water is just turning to like a slushy, and we can't keep our hole open even with the four-wheeler, so we're gonna call it for now. Talk to the guy who runs our lease and see if they'll allow us to hunt this afternoon whenever the snow lifts, because that would be potentially epic. But I mean, hella mallards, hella pintails, they're just, for whatever reason, they'd rather land 100 yards out even though the whole dang thing is frozen over. So I don't know, but this is getting too gnarly. We're leaving all this here. We gotta go warm up. We'll see you at the camp. Now we having some fun, boys. Check this shit out. Yeah, baby. Heel, kennel. channel. Get up there.
With the ducks in the background.
Check it out, buddy. I never seen that before. Our poor camp. Oh my god, dude. Freaking rig. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Woo!
Boys and girls, that is some serious weather. I'm glad we made it back safe, but I feel like I'm about to die. Ah! Well, boys, I guess we're gonna go back this afternoon. Hopefully, whenever this snow lifts, we're gonna shoot them. We'll see.
Got a couple this morning.
We'll see you this afternoon.
All right, it is about 1:45 and we are all warmed up, dried out some of our stuff, about to go back out there. Finally stopped snowing. We got us a fresh set of decoys in case we need them, but dude, it absolutely dumped for like 2 or 3 hours. I mean, it's about 4 or 5 inches. Pretty crazy stuff. That's insane, dude. Insane. So we are gonna go ride around and see. Hopefully they got some ducks keeping something open. What you really need is a bunch of coot, because the coot are gonna keep open water. If we can find that, make some open water, might be able to make something happen this afternoon. Stay tuned. We're gonna go get everything set up and we will see you with loaded guns in our hands, ready to go. We gotta go figure something out. Really?
Mallard?
Oh, dude, you never know, buddy.
Mallards in the front 6-pound fish?
Yeah.
6-pound fish!
All right.
What'd you see?
That flock of mallards had come back. They're coming back. Not really, though. Oh, yeah, they are. Yep. They're gonna come right over us, I think. Oh, God. Get ready.
You call it.
Just wait. All right. Got one. Nice! Right here, right here, right here. Oh, dude, nice.
You call it.
No! Right here, right here, right here. Oh, dude, nice. Nice.
No, he didn't go down. I see him. He went down.
Yup, dude, you gotta go.
Oh my God. Keep your mark on, dude. Oh!
That was spectacular.
Izzy, Izzy! Here! Here! Come here!
Girl, I will catch you, bro. Come here. Heel.
Izzy! Heel! Izzy!
Good dog. Oh, man. Finally. Man. It's been a tough year. It's been a tough year. Good puppy. All right, Izzy. You gotta come back with me. We're gonna go look at this duck. Come on.
I quit. It was a good one. It was a good duck season. And I finally got my mallard. Well, I guess this is the second one. 2 out of all the ducks, all the geese that we shot, I only killed 2 mallard drakes.
All right. I think that's all she wrote.
Probably.
Legendary.
Legendary day. We just got back to the camp, kind of unloaded everything. I believe the final count is 14 ducks total for the day. Pretty tremendous.
Yeah.
I mean, we gave it our all. Changed decoy spreads,
It
changed
was insane.
positioning.
I mean, it all just hit me. I'm exhausted.
Yeah, we better wrap
Like,
this up.
We
Eat
just
some
fought,
fish.
fighting that ice and that snow and that weather all day, trying to keep water open and trying to figure out what to do and getting bikes and trailers stuck in the field.
It was treacherous.
Can't believe we didn't film any of that.
Yeah, should have filmed that. Trailer and bike slid off the levee. Had to get the Pioneer and the winch and the total commotion.
That's why we did it right there, buddy.
The Lords. Real life.
Real deal.
So, we're going to go try to do something again tomorrow. Probably going to be a total separate video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.
Thanks
Stay
for watching.
tuned.
See you on the next one.